Sid is a commuter student at his college. During the day, he snacks on cartons of yogurt and the house special sandwiches at the cafeteria. A carton of yogurt costs $1.20. The cafeteria often offers specials on the sandwiches, so their price varies a great deal. Sid has a budget of $36 per week for food at the cafeteria. 5 of Sid's indifference curves are given by the schedule below. The points listed in the tables correspond with the points shown in the graph. To find the budget line, you multiply the price of x times the quantity of x plus the price of y times the quantity of y. It has to be less than or equal to the budget. To find the slope, you divide the budget by the price of y over the budget over the price of x, and it's negative because it's downward sloping. To find the marginal rate of substitution for the indifference curve, it's the price of x over the price of y.
Six A. Use a set of Sid's indifference curves shown as a guide in drawing your own graph. Draw Sid's indifference curves in budget line, assuming sandwiches cost $3.60. Identify the point at which he maximizes utility. How many sandwiches will he consume? How many cartons of yogurt? To maximize the budget line for sandwiches, you multiply $1.20 by 30 and $3.60 by 0, which gives you $36. To maximize the number of yogurt cartons, you multiply $1.20 by 0 and $3.60 by 10, which gives you $36.
In order to maximize the amount of sandwiches and yogurts Sid can buy within her $36 budget, the equation would be the price of sandwiches times the quantity of sandwiches plus the price of yogurts times the quantity of yogurts, and it has to be less than or equal to the budget. So to maximize the amount of sandwiches, you would multiply the price by 10, which will give you the budget of 36. You would multiply the price of sandwiches, which is $3.60, by 10, add it to the price of yogurt, which is $1.20 times 0, which will maximize the amount of sandwiches you can buy within your $36 limit. And then to get the maximum amount of yogurt, you would just do the opposite and plug in 0 for the quantity of sandwiches. So you would multiply $3.60 times 0 and $1.20, which is the price of yogurt, times 30, because that will give you the maximum amount of yogurt you could buy within your $36 budget. So given that that yogurt and sandwiches have the same budget, the slope of the budget line would just be the maximum quantity of yogurt over the maximum quantity of sandwiches negative. This would make the slope negative 30 over 10, which is negative 3. The slope means that for an additional sandwich bought, Sid will lose the 3 yogurts that she could have bought. The equation of the budget line is y equals ms plus b, where y is yogurt, m is the slope, s is sandwiches, and b is the y-intercept. So the equation would be y equals negative 3, which is the slope, times sandwiches, plus 30. 30 is the y-intercept because this is where you buy 0 sandwiches and you can buy 30 yogurts with the $36 budget. So this equation tells us the number of yogurts we can buy given the number of sandwiches for our $36 budget.
The budget line intersects the indifference curves at point A on curve U1 at point 24.2. That gives you 2 sandwiches at $3.60 each, which gives you $7.20, and 24 cartons of yogurt at $1.20 each, which gives you $28.80, which equals $36 total.
The Okay, for 6B, now suppose the price of sandwiches is cut to $1.20. Draw the new budget line, identify the point at which Sid maximizes utility, and how many sandwiches will he consume, and how many cartons of yogurt. The price for sandwiches is $1.20, and the price for yogurt is $1.20. To maximize the number of sandwiches and cartons of yogurt, you do $1.20 times 30 plus $1.20 times 0, which equals $36. The slope of this graph is -1, and the maximum utility is on point J, which is on the indifference curve U3.
Okay, so this is problem 6C. With the new budget line of when the price of yogurt is $1.20 and the price of sandwiches is 90 cents, it is shown on line A where you still have the same quantity of yogurt, which would be 30, and then the new quantity that you can buy of sandwiches is 40. And then line B shows the change when the price of yogurt is still $1.20 and the price of sandwiches moves to $1.80, which you can only buy 20 sandwiches. So the demand curve for sandwiches is shown above. When the price is at $3.20, then people demand the quantity of 10 sandwiches. And then when the price moves to $1.20, the demand quantity moves out to 30. Price is not a shifter, so it's just a movement along the curve